carbs.
And so, good motivation, hopefully, 23 years plus 20 passes old. Did at 130. Right here, got some work to do. This is another video where we're coming out and trying to figure it out.
Don't say what I think you're gonna say.
Okay. Got a busted oil pan. Shouldn't have All right, now we're caught up to speed with what has been transpiring in the last year with this car. Worst case scenario, we'll test and tune, but at least we're here, so that's good.
We're hoping that we don't have to do a cruise.
Yeah, that's the hope for real.
That's the hope for on our knees praying.
We are gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it, I promise. We're gonna fix it, it's gonna be able to do it, no issues. We're just not there yet. That's PB. That's PB for him.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Did you see the time slip?
I did. We broke up really bad at the end.
Did we?
Way before the finish. So
Really?
It should be a lot lower.
Wow.
I had to let off, and I got back in it, and it just started breaking up again. So I just like.
Interesting.
Definitely going faster. Oh, and he finally pulled the parachute.
Eliminations round 1 coming up. We are hitting the rev limiter. We're out of gear. We'll see who we get paired with, but it's gonna be tough. I'm not sure yet if we ended up in the Wilder Mile. We're gonna go find out. Been a year long.
It's been a year.
It's about time we're here, so now we just gotta get faster.
Fixing, braking, and fixing.
Yeah, no BS. That's exactly what we've been doing. Not prepared for that at all. Regardless of where the boost level was, he left. We ran the pass, and it was slower, but in the breakout, and we beat the Mustang. Hopefully, we don't have to deal with another nitrous car, because that kind of messed with our mojo a little bit. But we made it pass. We made it pass. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters. Let's just keep on hoping.
On to the next round. We'll take it. We'll take it, Papi. We'll take it. Okay. I don't care what the other guy did. We're taking the W on that. You hear me?
Yeah.
He was on it, dude. He was prepared apparently. It even surprised me.
What was the reaction
And
time?
I don't know, but he was on that second bulb immediately, and yeah, you reacted to it really well. We didn't make boost off the line.
Yeah.
That's why it probably slower 60.
Yeah, I was at 1/3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Breaking up.
Yeah, believe me.
That's because I had to let on.
Not breaking up, hitting the limiter.
Whatever. It's still da-da-da.
So it went 160, you said?
160.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the reaction was pretty good. I mean,
Yes.
decent, you know?
Current situation.
He doesn't want you to
That
see.
car's broke. Technically, it's not broke. The starter's not working, so they're trying to beat on the starter, and it's draining the battery. So they have to run this GTR. The GTR is also having starting issues. He's having to reset the battery just to get it started, but it is starting. So they're gonna go at it. If this Challenger can't get started, we are gonna run the finals with the GTR. So let's see what's gonna happen. But this is the situation we're in right now. They got it started, so we are gonna make a pass. Go from there. All right, here we go. Finals. We've got the Challenger, and we got the right lane. So let's see.
Jackson Juniors, final.
Except for the last pass, he slept right on the slit. I was like, dude, get in there! But we got lucky.
He pulled through.
Challenger broke out. We take the W. I'm pretty sure. I saw the green light. We'll see the slip. Wow.
That's crazy. He pulled through at the last second, dude.
Wow.
I really thought the Challenger was gonna win.
I know Raymond's gonna be pumped.
Super excited. Are you ready to get your photos taken?
I'm done. I'm done. Take me now, Jesus.
Take me now.
I've completed my quest. I gotta look at the slip.
On the walkie, he said, sorry guys, we dropped the ball. He doesn't know that he's about to fucking find out right now that we won, dude. We brought
The
it
Challenger.
home. Oh, come on.
Check the slip.
Fucking won.
832. 832.
Where's the winner? Oh!
Oh my god.
So nervous for nothing. You
Wow.
the last
Dude, I fell asleep at the light because I was waiting for it to spool up more.
I saw you. Oh my God. So much work. So much work for the 15.
Good job.
Group us. Come on, everybody bring it in.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I was so nervous. When we were waiting
yeah.
for the car, I was pacing back and forth. I was like,
I knew.
I know.
I knew it. There's no way.
Oh, I can't believe it. All the hard work from, you guys saw in the video, all the hard work from 2025 till now. Wow, what a, it's just crazy.